Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Having gated content on your site is proven to help boost email subscribers. In this video, we'll take a look at two methods so you can gate content to improve your engagement and conversions. In the first method, we'll create a pop-up opt-in campaign for a particular page. We'll call it gated content, and once you've chosen the right theme for your campaign, you can completely customize it in our drag and drop builder. Some good options include offering content upgrades like downloadable PDFs, checklists, and more. In the Form Action tab, you will determine what success action will happen once your visitor subscribes. In this case, we'll redirect them to where they can download our free PDF. You can also go to a success view where they will automatically be sent the PDF to their email inbox. In the Display Rules tab, we'll decide when the campaign will show to our website visitors. In this case, we want them to have shown interest in our page, so we'll have it at distance scrolled 70%, and we'll use current URL path with the URL path to show our campaign only on a particular page of our website. We'll click Next Step, and now we can determine which opt-in view will show. The summary tells us exactly when our campaign will show to visitors. Next, under Integrations, we can connect our email marketing service provider to our campaign so that we can successfully collect all of our email leads generated by our gated content. And finally, you'll want to connect to your analytics. And now we can publish our campaign to our site. We'll toggle over from paused to live and follow the instructions according to your website platform. In WordPress, simply scroll down to the OptinMonster plugin, click Refresh Campaigns to see your campaign, and click on the Go Live button, and that will set your campaign to live. For the second method, we'll teach you how to use our content locking feature at OptinMonster. First, we'll want to use an inline form for this option. Select the template that's right for your campaign. We'll call ours Content Locker, and we'll start building. In the drag and drop builder, you can completely customize your campaign to incentivize website visitors to get access to your exclusive content. Next, when we press the Home button, we will go to Display Settings, where we can lock our content below the campaign. You can choose between obfuscation, which is blurring the content, or removal, which removes the content. If you'd like this content to be permanently locked, change the cookie success duration to 0 days. Next, under the Integrations tab, we can add our email marketing service provider so we can successfully collect email leads through our gated content. Finally, we'll need to publish our campaign by toggling from paused to live. Next, we'll scroll down and copy the code that is highlighted in the yellow box. We're going to need this code in just a moment. Next, for WordPress users, we'll refresh our campaigns, and again, we'll click on Go Live to activate our campaign. And next, we'll want to go to Posts, where we will be including our campaign on our post. Edit, and we'll paste in the code that we just copied on the Publish page. Update, and you've successfully locked the content on your website. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.